Hey, Dave here with Saddleback Leather, and I want to show you the 14-inch front door briefcase. So I usually name things according to what it is. So this has a front door on it, so there's no like mystery there. The dimensions are 14 inches wide, 4 inches from side to side, and actually these are kind of robbed a little bit. The seams kind of curve in. So it's 3.5, 4. So it's our narrowest small briefcase that has this closure. And then it's 11.5 inches tall, so it'll carry pretty much anything that you need that would fit into a regular briefcase. So here we go. Let me show you. So of all of the briefcases, we have this one, which has this closure in it, okay? Comes in all the colors. We have the black, we have the chestnut, we have the tobacco, and we have the dark coffee brown. So this just opens up. Let me show you the front part first, okay? I'll show you the inside here in just a minute, and I'll tell you all about why I designed it, what goes into it, that kind of thing. So what I wanted was a bag that you could actually separate stuff out of from inside. So you didn't have just a big mess in there, tuck stuff in there. You could put like the charger, you could put it on this little tab here, you could put it inside here. So this pocket goes, I have it full inside, but you can put your charger, put other things in here. Has little wings here so stuff doesn't fall out. And then you just close it. Isn't that pretty? And then you would, this that closes both would close that. So then we have, on the outside, I wanted to put a pocket in here. So got a back pocket for when you're walking, you want to just slip something in there. I have one piece of leather. It goes all the way down, around, and then up the front. One piece of leather all the way to the top here, which is nice because the fewer the seams you have, the less chance it's going to break. So that's kind of a design philosophy I have, is as few holes as possible, because a sewing machine is a perforation machine, and it perforates like paper. When you tear a piece of paper, it just rips. If the holes are too close together and the needle's bigger for the heavy thread that we use, that kind of messes things up. So I've got full grain leather. There are 4 or many types or names of leather, but let's just say it's the toughest leather you can get. It has all of the grain, the full amount of grain on top of it. Top grain is when they kind of shave off a little bit of that, but this has the full amount of grain on it. So it's our hardware, of course, is bulletproof hardware, 316 stainless steel, 316. It's super duper strong. Got the Gladstone closure. And this is what you want to know. It fits a 14-inch MacBook Pro. So you got a back pocket here, like I'll just show you there, for a laptop to fit in there. And it's kind of little, and then you have a notepad holder to fit in there. And then you have the shoulder strap that hangs on. That was in there. But really, it's just pretty basic. It's just a basic bag, and it has one little sleeve in there in case you have it full of stuff. It's kind of like a shoehorn sort of for your laptop or your iPad or whatever. So of all of the Gladstone closure briefcases, this is the small one. So it's see how that goes? It can go fatter, but it's pretty small, and 14 by 11.5 by 4. So the fly bag is the next one with the Gladstone, and it is longer, it's taller, and it's the same height, a little longer, fits a 16-inch MacBook Pro. But this one fits notepads, 14-inch MacBook Pro, and it's a little lower, smaller profile if you want it that way. But anyway, there you go. The front 14-inch front pocket briefcase.